Hello guys, Parfish here. Today we're going to be taking a look at 3 of my favorite cars from the 1980s. So we're going to be taking a look at the Countach, the Testarossa, and the Vector W8 Twin Turbo. So yeah, let's start with this car. So this is from the Hot Wheels Boulevard series. So yeah, it's quite an old series. I found this for like 10 bucks Canadian. I think it's a really good deal that I got here. And yeah. So let's open this up. Hot Wheels has only ever released this car like once, and yeah, they've never released it ever again. So I'm really glad to have gotten my hands on this one. Wow, this car is beautiful. It's metal body, metal base with the rubber tires. Just look at this car, this screams 1980s. Even though it spent like part of its production time in the 1990s, like the early, but it debuted in the early 80s. Not the early 80s, in the late 80s. So you can see here it says Twin Turbo on the right here. It also says Vector. So yeah, Vector is like an American brand of supercar, I guess. Pretty cool. This car has a twin turbo V8 engine, I think. Yeah, 6 liter. And it's a rear mid engine, so the engine's right here, which is why it's so blocky in the back, I think. Because it is, it's not longitudinal, it's transversal, I guess, or transverse, however you say it. And yeah, but one thing that really surprises me about this car is that it's actually supplied by a 3-speed automatic transmission from GM. But yeah, there's only like 22 of these around the world, making this car in real life quite rare. So that was the first car. Now let's take a look at the second car. This is the Lamborghini Countach from the 25th anniversary edition, I think. Yep. So to celebrate Lamborghini's 25th anniversary of the company, they made this car. I think they hired Horacio Pagani to restyle this. As you can see, it's a little bit different from the regular Countach. So this is also a rear mid-engine. This is a 5.2 liter V12, supplied by a 5-speed transmission, the manual one, of course. Pretty cool. Now let's take a look at the last one. This is the Ferrari Testarossa. So this is powered by a 4.9 liter 12 cylinder. I think it's a flat 12 or a 180 degrees V12. And it is rear wheel drive, just like all the other ones. Rear mid engine and 5-speed manual. So yeah, you know, I love the 80s and their crazy styling, and I think these 3 cars represent them perfectly. I mean, just look at their distinctive styling. You can see the boxy kind of looks with like the crazy lines. Yeah, I'm just really glad I got this Vector right here, because on eBay it's selling for a lot of money. And yeah, you know, I think in the future I won't even be able to afford that car no more. But yeah. So that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. You can comment down below which one's your favorite, or maybe you have another 80s supercar that you really like. Comment down below. And that's about it for this video. Until next time, this is Parfish out.